Good morning, dear. Now, today we are going to start a new topic, that is the outbreak of revelation. So, dear, previous lecture we have discussed on role of philosophers and new middle class, and few students have doubt regarding the new middle class who were part of in new middle class. So dear, new middle class were not a separate society. New middle class were part of third state. Suppose we divide third state into economical base, rich, poor, middle class. So they were part of the third state, not a separate society. Society was divided into first state, second state, and third state only. And from third state, some were poor, some were middle, some were rich, educated. This was the divisions inside third state. So yesterday we have discussed middle class what they consider from third state. So let's start today's lecture here. Okay. So outbreak of revelation, and you know very well tragedy was empty, and at the beginning we have discussed Bastille Fort to related accident, and this was happened 14 July 1789, and this event 5th May 1789. So we are close to that accident. Okay, are you getting my point? And Louis XVI demand for the they want to impose new taxes and plan to impose the new tax. And what was the problem to impose new taxes? What was the proposal for that mechanism or system to impose the new taxes? So he can't impose the taxes without the meeting of States General. Who are the States General? State General means representative from each state. We'll discuss in next lecture. Representative from each state, they were considered state general. So what was the principle of representative for first, second and third state? First state 300 representative, from second state 300 representative, and from third state 600 representative were attending the meeting. But what was the problem? For third state, their vote value was only 1. Suppose 300 representative can give only 1 vote. Second state representative, in number they were 300, their vote value 1. And third state who was 600, but after that, in spite of 2 vote value, their vote value was only 1. So they were rejected. This principle in next lecture will discuss. So he called the meeting of State General, and last meeting inside France was held in 1614. After 1614, this was the first time after that meeting held in 1789. This is the first lecture. Let's see in second lecture what happens when all representatives were sitting inside meeting and when they refuse the proposal of Louis XVI. Let us see. Okay, dear. So we have discussed earlier. When he called the meeting, then what happens? What was the mechanism of meeting and how to they impose the taxes? So proposal of new taxes is started. Proposal of new taxes, and how this system of 300 representative from each, from first and second state. It means, you know, first state is sent 300 representative. You know, first state was clergy, sent 300 representative from each. Second state, noble, also sent in this meeting 300 representative. and 600 representative from the third state. 600 representative from the third state along with 40,000 letters of poor pigeons. In third state, who were attending the meeting, who were the representatives, those people who were educated and rich, they were attending the meeting, but in spite of poor and pigeons, they represent their letters, 40,000 letters inside this state meeting. But what was the problem in this meeting? 300 from the first state, 300 from second state, and 600 representative from third state. But what was the system? One vote value, one voting value given to the first state. For first state, one vote. For second state, one vote. And third state voting value also one vote. But because if we convert into the ratio, to 300 representative has the one vote value, as it 300 representative from second state has a one vote value. So 600 representative must be of the two vote values. But Louis XVI has refused this demand, which was demanded by third state. So, but voting had to be conducted on the principle that each state have one vote only. How it is possible? We are sending the 600 representative. Another one state sending the 300 representative. Second state sending the 300 representative. And first state vote value is 1. Second state vote value is 1. And third state where the representative are double. Vote value is only 1. So in place of that, third state is demanded our vote value should be 2. 2 vote values should be given to us. That was the demand of the third state. So this was the major challenge and major problem in front of the Louis XVI. That's why third state has demanded for that. And what happens when Louis XVI refused their demand? See in next lecture. Okay dear, till now we have discussed Louis XVI has called the meeting to impose new taxes, and earlier last meeting was held in 1640, and in second lecture we have discussed what was the major problem. 300 representative from first and second state and 600 representative from third state, but after that their vote value only 1. And when they were rejected this proposal, and later on see what happens. So third state is demanded for equal voting. Equal voting means what? If first state 300 representative has only 1 vote value, so we are having the 600 representative, our vote value should be 2. So they were demanded for the 2 vote value, and later on King rejected the proposal of third state. So third state assemble on tennis court, and they want to draft a new constitution for France. Through this constitution, they may be control, limit the power of king, and drafting of new constitutions, and a National Assembly is formed. First time National Assembly is formed, formation of National Assembly. After that, they want to draft a new constitution. These are the two persons who play important role to support this constitution, for drafting of constitution, and where are they? Belong from noble family, but due to sympathy of third state, ready to support to third state because support to the equality. All should be equal. No one should be considered on the basis of privileges rights. So, ready to support and play important role in drafting of new constitution for a France. And Abbe Siar belong from clergy family, priest, and he was priest and support to the third state. So these were the two persons who were support to the third state. Many times this happens due to the sympathy, due to the equality, and all should be equal due to the attitude, due to the principle of a particular person. They sometimes may be ready to support the such person. So dear, today we have discussed complete lecture outbreak of revolution and outbreak of revolution. Louis XVI has called the meeting, and in this meeting, how to meeting held all three state general meeting. This known by the state general meeting. 300 representative from first and second state, and 600 representative from third state. And but what was the condition? One state can give the only one vote. So third state has demanded our vote value should be on the basis of our representative. So if first state have 300 representative, so third state are having the 600 representative. That's why our vote value should be 2. But King rejected their proposal, their demand, and later on what happens we have seen in this lecture. Later on they rejected and formation of a national assembly at a tennis court and drafting a new constitution to control, to limit the king's power. And there are two persons who play important role to support to drafting a new constitution, belong from noble family and is belong from the clergy family. This was the lecture, and if you have any doubt, you may be discussed here.